Making a collage for your art portfolio is a really great idea, and making a collage is also really enjoyable and fun. Collage comes from the French word coller, which means to glue or to stick together. It's a technique in which art results from an assemblage of different forms to create a new whole. We usually think of a collage as gluing magazine and newspaper clippings to a background, which is called photo montage. But you can also use a lot of different materials like textured or patterned papers, your own artwork cutout, which we love to do in our portfolio prep classes, cloth, or found objects. You may sometimes hear collages referred to as mixed media because collage is one way to make mixed media artwork. Collage is a great way to make a statement or commentary. Using text, objects, ads, and photographs from popular culture, you can address an endless variety of issues, anything from social and political to personal and global concerns, or you can create a whole new world. To get started with a collage for your art portfolio, all you need is some source material, some adhesive, scissors, and an X-Acto knife, and a backing. For the backing, you want to use something stronger than a thin piece of paper. You can use foam core, a board such as plywood, canvas, something three-dimensional, or a piece of paper that's thicker and meant for mixed media work. For source material, you can use personal photos, old books, magazines, fabric, thread, patterned or textured paper, drawings or paintings that you've made. It's also great to use older magazines and books, images from Google or Pinterest that relate to your theme or topic, or take photos specifically for your collage. Before you adhere your source material to your backing, take some time to plan out your composition. Unlike other 2D mediums that rely on direct mark making such as painting or drawing, with collage you can arrange and rearrange the different elements of your artwork. Make sure that you lay all of your elements out before committing with glue. Take advantage of the medium's flexibility by trying out different arrangements. If you're not sure how to start your collage for your art portfolio, first try picking a theme or color scheme. And before you start placing elements on your backing, cut out a lot of different images, way more than you could ever need, and as you begin to arrange, you may see a theme emerge. If you need help making work for your art portfolio, Ashcan's portfolio prep classes are a great place to start. We have online classes now, so no matter where you are, you can develop your skills and ideas with the guidance of our outstanding teachers and programs.